Got to work on this badass truck. A little bit of welding. Pretty truck. Got our exhaust stack here. The flange broke on them, so we got that all welded up. He's going to take that back over to the chrome shop and have him and them guys install this again. Thing's got to be 12 feet long at least. A little bit of welding there, over there, and a little weld on the fender. Alright, got the truck done, got it out of here. Come to find out, the guy told me that he was over there at the 75 truck stop and they recommended me to do the welding, which is pretty cool, because the 75 Chrome Shop in Wildwood is a pretty well-known place and they're 45 minutes away from me. So for me to get recommended to do welding work from way over there, I guess my name's getting out there a little bit. But we're in the shop drilling some holes. But I just walked by my office and look at this. It is 96 degrees. It is 96 degrees inside my shop. So out there in the sun, it's extremely hot. When I got my truck, the temperature gauge read 115. So it is brutal, brutal hot and humid here. I got fans going everywhere. I shut the fan off for the video and you can see I'm already sweating. But I'm drilling some crooked holes on my crooked drill press. Well, I guess if you turn the phone sideways, it's straight. So we'll just look at it that way and then we'll say we're drilling holes straight. But I think this is 38 degrees. So somebody broke my return spring, so don't want to go up. So yeah, that's 38 degrees on the old dial. And I got 10 of these to do, both sides. This is for the cable rail upstairs, up both sides of the stairway. So I drill all my holes in the middle, and I even got a fancy number maker to tell me to drill the holes in the wrong place. But that's what I got going on right now.